How to fix Roblox cursor going off screen. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Roblox cursor going off screen while you're playing the game. So let's begin. First, what you'll have to do is open up your settings. After you're on your settings, go to the display option. Now right here, make sure that your scale and layout are on recommended. Make sure you select the recommended version. Do the same for display resolution. And after you do so, if you have graphics, you can set that up too. So after you do all of these, what you'll need to do is you'll need to go to settings. And under settings, what you'll search for is store. And after you type in store on the search bar, you'll find and fix problem with Windows Store apps. Tap on it. And right here, what you'll see is you will get to troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems on the apps that you downloaded from the Windows Store. So tap on next and just do the troubleshoot. Or you can simply search for the apps and from here and then go there too. So as you can see right here, now what you can do is you can search for apps. So just search for it and go to add or remove apps, and you'll get redirected to installed apps. So from here, search for Roblox, open it up. So after you are on advanced settings, what you can do is simply go here, tap on reset or repair. First, repair it if it still does not work correctly. After that, tap on reset and you're basically good to go. So after doing all of these, your Roblox should be working just fine. And that is all for this video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.